Eat like good camera.
Who are you? Go away from me. Oh, ice cream. Nom nom nom. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. It tastes like vanilla. Oh, it's yummy. I'm gonna lick the whole bowl clean. Shut up! You're ruining it. I love ice cream. Yes, I do. Oh, look at the pretty flowers on the bowl. Num 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 num. I can't get to the ice cream. The spoon is in the way. Move the spoon. What the heck did you just do? Ready? Yay! Ice cream. It's so good. Isn't it, marzipan? Whoa. Okay, you got a little on your face, bud. He's like, it's stuck on my nose, now it's on my chin, and now it's on my neck. Ugh. Now it's on my paws. Get that down. Stop it. I think he's done. He's like, yeah, I'm bored. What you doing? What you doing? Don't you give him your water. That's disgusting. There's a way to get a disease.
Well, you need water after my ice cream.
Hi.
Here, take some water.
Hi, baby.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye. He's done. His little belly's full.
He's like looking at